Facebook has changed the deactivate option again in 2026, and many users are having trouble finding it. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to deactivate your Facebook account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Now, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. From here, go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. Next, scroll down a little and open Account Center. Inside the Account Center, tap on Manage Accounts, and then click on Manage. After that, select Deactivation or Deletion. Then select Deactivate Account and tap on Continue. At this point, Facebook will ask for your password. Just enter your password to move forward. Next, you'll need to choose a reason for deactivating your account. You can select any option. Here, I'm choosing This is temporary, I'll be back. Then tap on Continue. Now, Facebook will show you some important information about reactivating your account. Don't worry, you can reactivate your account anytime by simply logging in again. You can also set a reactivation time from 1 to 7 days. If you don't want your account to be automatically reactivated, just choose the last option and tap on Done. After that, tap on Continue. Keep in mind, even after deactivating your Facebook account, your Messenger will still work. Finally, tap on Deactivate My Account. That's it. Your Facebook account will now be deactivated and you will be logged out automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.